Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using double dip, and we are going to be using dip liquids. So the first color here is called Silver Star, and this is one of the new colors that Double Dip just released. It is a beautiful gray base with some glitter in there, and the glitter is all different colors. It's like green, yellow, light purple. It's super pretty, and there's some light blues in there as well. Very pretty, and then there is some chunky glitter mixed in with there. And then the next color is a limited edition color that is still available, and it is a fun glitter called Spring Queen, and it is a light pink base with beautiful holographic glitters in there, and then there's some yellow and beautiful purple glitters in there. Depending on what way the light hits, the glitters will definitely change in colors, so it's very pretty, and I think that these two colors together complement each other really well. So I'm really excited to try Double Dip. I've never tried any of their actual dip powders before, and I have tried the liquids a few times. So I'm really excited to create a full mani using all Double Dip products. The only product today that will not be Double Dip would be the clear dip powder that I'm using. It is going to be from another brand just because I don't have a clear dip powder from Double Dip. I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, so we're just wrapping up this mani here, and I can tell you right now that I really enjoyed using the double dip powders, and the liquids together was the perfect mani. I really think that the liquids are super easy, user-friendly to use. The dry time is kind of a faster side dry time, but I didn't have any problems with any of that cleaning up the cuticle line or anything like that. So the dip liquids are definitely awesome. So I am going to be trying a little bit more of dip liquids on my channel, and I will be using a couple other colors from Double Dip. I'll link everything in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, definitely consider, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!